from the title of this video, you already know what this video will be all about. I'll be showing you tips on how you could retrieve your lost passwords from app and websites you've used in the previous time. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. And by the way, if this is your first time of seeing this face, please do not make it your last by subscribing to my channel. Over here in this channel, I create problem solving videos. I create videos on healthcare, skincare, and general well-being of the feminine body. If it's something that interests you, please do not hesitate by subscribing to my channel. Like, share, comment, and tell your friends and family about my channel. So yeah, let's dive in ASAP. We'll be needing a Gmail app for this hack. Gmail apps comes with every new devices, so you just click on it, and here you click on the profile icon on the upper right corner of the page, and then click on Google account, and you scroll down to security, then you scroll down to password manager, then click on it. Yeah, you click on it, and then guess what? All the websites you've used in the past and apps surfaces. Yeah, so let's see Facebook. Let's search for Facebook. Where is it here? And then you do that fingerprint, and you can see all of the your passwords are there. You can view and you can copy. Let's try again for Google. Same here, you can see. And then let's try for Instagram. Same, you can see. And lastly, let's try for Twitter, the new X app. Yeah, where is the X app? Twitter. Yeah, that is it. And definitely you can see your passwords are there. So this is the easy way to retrieve your lost passwords. Very easy way. So if you learned something new from my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That is the only way I get support from you to keep pushing and creating useful content as this. Okay, please subscribe to my channel. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers before the year runs out, and I'm very sure you can make that happen. So push the subscription button on my channel, subscribe. Okay, yeah, thank you, bye. This the kind of beat that go